I have fulfilled my revenge.
Nothing has been found from the CCTV footage. Everything has been erased. But there's one thing, have a look. We know him. He is Rajiv. He is the partner of Maya Jaisim.
This game is being played from a long time, Amir. And whoever is playing this game is putting something very big at stake.
Leave me! Leave me! Let me go! Why have you come here? Have you come here to see if I'm alive or not? Look at me. I am alive. But I'll never be able to live. Rudra, my heart is completely shattered. It is beyond repair now. So please don't give me any kind of hope. Don't show me any dreams, please.
I'll fulfill all your dreams. I'll hold your hand. I'll give you the support.
But how, Rudra?
You had lied to me. You had lied to me that those who are in pain cannot love others who are in pain. You had lied to me that a pain can be erased only with another pain.
At times we need another pain to get rid of our present pain.
Henceforth, I promise to be your support, Maya.
No. No.
I love you, Maya! And I know that you love me too!
Your love cannot defeat my revenge.
Maya! Maya! Stop, Maya! Water.
Come on, Rudra. Your death is waiting for you. No life jacket can save you, Rudra. I'm taking you to the deepest point of this river. Rudra, why have you come here? You can't even swim. You're scared of water. What if something happens to you?
Dying with you is better than living without you. I won't go anywhere, Maya.
But we cannot be together in this life.
Maya? Save me, man!
You couldn't weaken me. My revenge is complete. Today, why do I feel as if I've lost even though I have won?
Neither of us can survive. Leave me. Leave my hand! Maya, don't try to save me! Promise me, man. Promise me, please. You won't stop your life due to this fear. I love you, Maya. Sorry for not being able to support you. When I think of you, then my heart skips a beat. You mean everything to me, Maya. From now on, all my happiness will be yours. Your grief will be mine. I love you, Maya!
Rudra, please wake up! I love you! Did you hear me? I love you! Rudra, I love you! Please get up! Please! Please don't leave me alone! Please! Rudra, get up! Rudra, I love you! Rudra, get up! Rudra, nothing will happen to you, Doctor! Doctor, please! Doctor! Is anyone here? Somebody help, please! Doctor!
Maya, leave my hand. This boat will topple if I come up. None of us will be alive. Leave my hand, Maya! Leave my hand! I wish I had some more time. I would have wiped your tears with my love. I love you, Maya.
Please save my Rudra.
Ma'am, your patient.
I know you wanna go, and I don't blame you at all. I'm learning my own skin in reading what you wrote back then. Please don't disappear.
No, Rudra. You cannot weaken me now. I have waited for this revenge for 10 whole years. Your love cannot snatch it from me. I can't let you burn in the fire which has blackened my very soul in these 10 years. Because you... When I had hopes, you gave me darkness. When I had trust, I got betrayal. When I loved, I got back nothing but hatred. Why did you not give me Rudra back then? Why didn't I have Rudra in my destiny in any manner? Why did I not have Rudra's presence in every breath and heartbeat?
From this very day, your pain will be mine. Your loneliness will be mine.
Why does he want to treat me as his responsibility? The kind of love that I like. Rudra, I love you. Please get up. The love that I deserve. I love you, Rudra. I love you more than I love myself. I love you so much that now I desire to live. I love you so much that I desire to forget all my pains. I love you. Rudra?
you were going to run away again, Maya.
Rudra, what are you doing?
The more you run away from me, the closer I'll come to you.
I have to go, Rudra, please. Rudra, stop it. Rudra.
I won't let you run away, Maya. My love is your limit.
Rudra, I don't love you.
I didn't hold your hand to let go, Maya. I won't let go of you, and you won't be able to break free from my love. Loving you taught me that love brings not pain, but it brings peace. And I will give you that peace. Loving you made me realize that love means not to obtain, but to give up. I dedicate my life to you from today. Today I give you all my love. My love will free you from the darkness. My love will be the bond.
We got married. Won't you give me a wedding gift?
Just ask me. I'll even give you my life.
Promise me. I need one promise.
I promise.